Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you to open your gas cover so you can refill your tank. So as you can see, this is locked with a safety feature, so you'll have to go into your driver's door. And down here by your foot, you should see a lever here to pull, which should release the safety. And voila! From here, you read any directions, unscrew. Should be a regular gas to refill, screw back on, and then when you're finished, just close it up and it'll be locked again automatically. And if you're having issues with this part, when you do finally find a way to open it, just check to make sure there's no debris stuck in the way, maybe something bent out of place. Maybe some WD-40 might help in the back there where the hinge is. But yeah, I just have to play with it, maybe replace this if you have to. But otherwise, hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.